Hi friends, welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. In previous session, we have seen how to use action class to mouse over on the web element, and also how to use action class to click on that particular element. And now in this session, let's try to learn how to drag and drop the web element using source and target. Okay, so drag the source web element into the and drops into the target web element. Okay, so how to do that? We'll see the practically here. So syntax is action dot drag and drop and your source element and target element dot perform. So this is our syntax to perform this action. Okay. So if you not watched the previous two videos, guys, this is very important. We need to log in our website first, and then again we need to perform the mouse over actions on that my account section. After that, we need to click on that that Selenium practice page. So how to do that, I have already explained in the previous two videos, guys. So watch previous two videos first and then come to this third chapter. Okay, so provide to do this all the practical stuff in this Bhau-Automation Lab website. So we need to log in, register your account first here. So if you are not created account, so go to the registered page on the homepage of Bhau-Automation Lab, like here, same way. I have already explained in the previous session, and registered it's totally free, and you can able to access all the like the all the previous like this all this functionality like practice the page or the learn the Java and everything like notes and everything you can able to access that thing. So go to the registered page and register your details here and then come to here. Okay, so after previous two chapters we have learned all those things, and now let's try to learn how to drag and drop the web element. So go to the here, we have already explained these two topics. Now let's say drag and drop web element meant using action class. Okay, so let's try to learn this. So syntax here is action dot drag and drop source element and target element dot perform. So build dot perform. So here we have already one section here name as like a drag and drop, like drag me, this is the one button, and drag that button into this rectangle. So this is your practice. So if you registered Bhau-Automation Lab, so you are able to access the Selenium practice page, and after that you are able to do all these stuffs practically. Believe me, guys, if you practice all these things practically and automate all those things as per the I teaching you in these videos, you are able to do automate anything on your real-time website. There is no there is a something or like nothing in the web elements like you not practiced. Like here we have everything like text box and everything, drop downs and everything. We'll see all these things step by step. Just first of all, let's learn this drag and drop section. Okay, so this is a drag me button. We need to drag this and drop it into this rectangle, so it will automatically drag and drop here. So how to do this action? So this is the mouse actions, like we are clicking on this button and just like drop this button here in this rectangle. So how to do this practically using action class? Let's try to learn that concepts practically here. So first of all, we need to create a source element here. So what is our source element? So our source element is let's say go to the Selenium practice page again. Okay, so our source element is a drag me button, right? So inspect that drag me button first. Okay, so this a drag one is the ID for this this particular source element. ID for this, right? So let's create a web element and name at source element. Okay, I'll give full name to you understand you properly. Drag home. Let's say dot find element by, let's say we can create a ID or XPath as well. XPath. So XPath is here like let's copy this XPath, like ID is equal to like this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, ID is equal to drag. So let's copy this XPath here. First of all, let's remove this double bracket from this XPath. Okay, and let's copy this one. ID is equal to drag, right? This is the XPath. drag one. I think drag one we have made a mistake here. So this is the X path, right? So let's see, drag one, and we stored in the source element. Now same way, create a target element. I just copying and this pasting it here and giving name as a target element. Okay, so what is the target element here? This is the rectangle, right? So I'll just inspecting that rectangle, and this is the ID for this div1. Okay, so this time take a ID, let's say ID, and let's paste it here. So this is our target element. So we have already created action class object here. So using that action class, let's use the method like a drag and drop, action dot drag and drop. This is the method, right? So we have to pass that web element source here, target element source here. So source element is directly automatically it's taken here like a source element, this one, and this is the target element. After that, what we need to do, we need to perform like a build, and then after that perform that action on the web page. So this is how we can drag that particular element from the one section to another section and drop it into the another section. So this is the code we need to write in the Selenium using action class. So let's run this and see whether we are able to perform this drag and drop operation in the web element or not. So first of all, I just need to maximize our window. So let's type here like a driver dot manage dot, let's say window dot maximize. So we'll see the execution properly. Okay, so let's see here, run as Java application. The window is already maximized. Let's see whether we are able to like drag and drop and all those actions like mouse hover, and after that click on that web element and everything. So it's a launch our website, it's click on that marketing pop-up, after that click on the login button, it's enter our username and password, click on the login button, and after that we need to hover on that my account section. So it should be hover, yes, and it's click on the username, and yes, we are successfully able to drag and drop our element there. Okay, we can see our drag element into the rectangle now. So this is how we can perform the drag and drop actions using Selenium and action class. Okay, if you have any doubt related to the, you can just comment out me, I'll give all the answer related to all this practical stuff. Okay, so let's learn one more concept in the next chapter related to the action class. Okay, till time, have a great day. Bye bye, take care.